Welcome to AI Toolkit today, and we help creators like you use AI tools to save time and grow faster. Stick with me to the end because I will share my personal Canva AI thumbnail template you can start using today. If you are spending hours designing YouTube thumbnails, stop. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva AI to create stunning, click-worthy thumbnails in under 5 minutes, even if you have zero design skills. First, log into Canva. From the home page, search for YouTube thumbnail. To get the right size, that's 1280 by 720 pixels. Then, open Canva's Magic Design tool. This AI feature instantly gives you multiple thumbnails layouts based on just a few words. Here is the magic. Type in a short but detailed prompt. For example, let's just use bold YouTube thumbnail for a tech tutorial, bright colors, big title text, and a laptop icon. Canva AI will instantly create ready-to-edit thumbnail concept. Just wait, it's generating the thumbnail concept right now. Once you get your AI generated design, click on the one you like and start customizing. Change the title text to match your video, adjust colors for your brand, and add your channel logo in the corner. The key here, make the text big and readable. Remember, most people see thumbnails on small phone screens. Add a little personality, maybe an arrow pointing to your text or a reaction face for emotion. You can also upload a screenshot from your video to tie it all together. You just have to play with it and customize your thumbnail anyhow you see fit. When you are happy with the design, click download, choose PNG for the best quality, and upload it to your YouTube video. Done in under 5 minutes. And that's how you create professional YouTube thumbnails fast with Canva AI. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI tools tutorials. Next, watch my video on how to use ChatGPT for writing blog posts, no experience. I will link it here.